At this time today, we're going to be hearing God's message conserved from 1 Corinthians chapter 9, 19 to 23. Let's open our hearts and minds as we learn how to share the message of salvation with others. Pastor Cesar.
Good afternoon, fellow Americans and church, and how are you? How are you? It's good to see Sister Cecilia again after a few months. Praise the Lord for your life, and thank you, praise the Lord for